A full-size subwoofer box can eat up half a trunk, which is a deal breaker for anyone hauling gear or luggage. In this video, we are ranking 7 of the best shallow mount subwoofers for tight trunks, from a budget 10-inch to a premium 12-inch. Every pick here delivers real bass output from a noticeably slimmer enclosure depth. We are covering 6 different brands, so there is a fit for nearly any vehicle and budget. Stick around to find the right shallow sub for your trunk. Number 1. Rockville W10T4-S2. The Rockville W10T4-S2 opens this list as the most affordable shallow mount option. This 10-inch subwoofer uses a shallow 3.4-inch mounting depth, making it one of the slimmest options in this guide. A paper composite cone keeps the design lightweight while still handling meaningful power. The butyl rubber surround adds durability, letting the cone flex through repeated bass hits without breaking down over time. A 45-ounce magnet provides enough motor strength to move real air despite the sub's slim profile. CEA-compliant power ratings mean the numbers on the spec sheet reflect real-world testing, not inflated marketing figures. This sub fits into factory-style enclosures or slim custom boxes without needing extra depth clearance. It suits drivers building their first shallow mount system who want to test the format without a major investment. It also suits anyone replacing a blown factory subwoofer in a tight OEM-style enclosure. The included hardware makes mounting straightforward, even for a first-time car audio installer. That approachable build quality makes it a common starting point for budget-conscious builds. Anyone shopping for a first shallow subwoofer should start with something this straightforward. Number 2. Quart DS1304 Discus. The Quart DS1304 steps up to a full 12-inch cone size. This subwoofer reflects years of steady demand among car audio builders who keep coming back to the brand. 2-inch voice coils handle the 600-watt power rating without excessive heat buildup during long listening sessions. A UV-resistant rubber surround protects against sun exposure for subs mounted in trunk areas that see direct light. Quart specifically engineered this design to perform best in sealed enclosures, prioritizing tight, accurate bass over rattling volume. That sealed box tuning suits listeners who want clean, controlled low-end rather than boomy, unfocused bass. The shallow mounting depth still fits into slim enclosures despite the larger 12-inch cone diameter. German engineering heritage backs the Quart name, which carries a long history in car audio circles. This subwoofer suits drivers who want a full-size cone without sacrificing trunk space to a deep enclosure. It also suits anyone prioritizing sound accuracy over maximum output for daily listening. Owners often note how well this sub blends into a factory-style system without extra tuning. That plug-and-play compatibility makes it a favorite for straightforward daily driver upgrades. Number 3. CT Sounds Hydro. The CT Sounds Hydro moves into boutique territory with a dual voice coil design. This 10-inch subwoofer offers a dual 4-ohm configuration, giving installers flexibility when wiring multiple subs together. A 1000-watt max power rating gives this sub real headroom for players who want output beyond casual listening. CT Sounds built its reputation on boutique-style subwoofers that punch above their size in tight enclosures. The shallow mounting depth keeps this sub compatible with factory-style boxes and custom slim enclosures alike. A reinforced basket structure resists flex under hard bass hits, which helps maintain accurate cone movement at higher volumes. This sub suits installers who want dual voice coil flexibility for custom wiring configurations. It also suits enthusiasts stepping up from a mainstream brand who want to try a boutique alternative. Builders working with amplifiers that support multiple wiring configurations get the most flexibility from this coil layout. That reputation for punching above its size keeps demand steady among competitive-minded builders. The compact depth means it drops into the same enclosures built for slimmer factory subwoofers. Installers appreciate having a boutique option that does not require a custom-built enclosure to perform well. Number 4. Pioneer A-Series TSA2000 LD2. The Pioneer TSA2000 LD2 brings the smallest cone size on this list. This 8-inch subwoofer targets the tightest trunks and smallest factory enclosures where a 10 or 12-inch sub simply won't fit. Pioneer's shallow mount design keeps the mounting depth slim, without sacrificing the deep bass response the A-Series is known for. A 700-watt max power rating suits this smaller cone size well, avoiding the risk of overdriving a compact driver. The compact diameter fits into hatchback spare tire wells, small sedan trunks, and other spaces larger subs can't reach. Pioneer's long track record in car audio backs this design with decades of tuning experience behind it. This sub suits drivers in compact cars and hatchbacks who still want noticeable bass improvement over a factory system. It also suits anyone building a stealth install where the subwoofer needs to stay hidden and out of the way. Even at this smaller size, the cone still produces noticeably tighter bass than most factory speakers. Drivers who value cargo space above raw output often land on this size first. For anyone working with genuinely limited space, this 8-inch option solves problems the larger subs on this list can't. Number 5. The Pioneer A-Series TSA2500 LS4. The Pioneer TSA2500 LS4 moves up to a 10-inch cone for more output. This subwoofer carries a 1200-watt max power rating, giving it noticeably more headroom than the smaller Pioneer option earlier in this guide. The shallow mount design keeps the same slim depth philosophy while stepping up cone size for deeper, fuller bass. Pioneer tuned this driver specifically for tight enclosures, so output does not suffer despite the compact mounting footprint. A dual 4-ohm voice coil setup gives installers flexibility when matching this sub to different amplifier configurations. The A-Series lineage means this sub shares design philosophy with the smaller and larger options in the same family. That shared design language makes it easy to upgrade or downgrade within the Pioneer lineup later without relearning a new system. This sub suits drivers stepping up from a smaller, shallow subwoofer who want a noticeable bass increase. It also suits anyone who wants proven Pioneer reliability paired with more low-end output than the entry-level options in this guide. Builders often pick this size when a smaller sub feels underwhelming, but a 12-inch won't fit the space. Number 6. The DS18 PSW10.4D. The DS18 PSW10.4D brings water-resistant construction into this list. This 10-inch subwoofer carries a dual voice coil setup rated at 4 + 4 ohms, similar to earlier picks in this guide. A 1000-watt max power rating with 500-watt RMS gives this sub solid continuous output for regular listening. Water-resistant construction sets this sub apart from the other picks in this guide, protecting against moisture in the trunk. That resistance helps in climates with heavy humidity or for vehicles that see occasional water exposure from wet cargo or weather. DS18 designed this specifically as a tight space solution, matching the shallow mount theme running through this entire list. The reinforced construction holds up under repeated bass hits without the surround breaking down prematurely. This sub suits drivers in humid climates or anyone hauling gear that might introduce moisture into the trunk area. It also suits builders who want an extra layer of durability beyond what a standard shallow subwoofer offers. Owners hauling wet gear, beach equipment, or muddy cargo appreciate the added peace of mind. That extra protection does not require sacrificing the shallow depth this whole list is built around. Number 7. The Kicker 48 CWRT 12.4 CompRT. The Kicker CompRT closes this list as the premium, purpose-built choice. This 12-inch subwoofer comes from Kicker's CompRT lineup, a series engineered specifically for truck and shallow space installations. Dual voice coil construction at 4 ohms gives installers flexible wiring options for matching amplifier output. Kicker designed the CompRT series around a thinner overall profile than the brand's standard comp lineup. That does not mean giving up the low-end punch Kicker is known for. That engineering focus makes this sub a purpose-built solution rather than a standard subwoofer squeezed into a shallow enclosure. The reinforced basket and surround handle sustained bass output without the flex or fatigue. Less robust baskets can develop over time. Kicker's decades of car audio engineering back this design, and the brand's reputation for durability shows in the CompRT's build quality. This sub suits builders who want a name-brand, purpose-engineered shallow subwoofer rather than a general-purpose driver adapted to fit. It also suits anyone running a truck-specific install where cab space is at an absolute premium. For a shallow subwoofer engineered from the ground up for tight installs, this is the last sub on this list worth considering. That is 7 of the best shallow mount subwoofers for tight trunks, covering 6 brands from budget to premium. Which subwoofer are you adding to your build next? Let us know in the comments.